I'm Sean, and this is my final year project. What you are looking now is a sentimental analysis toolkit, which mainly serves is to help the user to discovery of insights based on their interests. What you are looking now is the main screen of the application. Mainly, it actually serves to search for desired topic trade name. As you see here, all this information are actually taken out from a local forum that is called Hardware Zone by performing a web crawler. Let's start from the top. This section over here allows the user to filter the list of track name that is shown over here. For this example, I am interested in the word haze. I can simply enter the word haze and click search. As you can see, it reflects the result of the search here, and it also shows the total count of results found. Over at this section, it actually shows a geographical area of Singapore, which is actually split up into different regions. The numbers of you see here on each region signifies the numbers of tracks which are related to these areas. It can also perform additional filtering by selecting each region followed by its area. For this example, I'll be selecting West as its region, as well as area Jurong West as its area. As you can see, a number of 6 track names are related to Jurong West, which is also reflected in the result box over here. Next, at this section, you actually classify all track names into different categories. As you click on the drop-down menu, you can see a list of different categories. By clicking on the health and fitness, for example, it projects an overview of sentiment which is illustrated with this pie chart over here. Let's move on to the analysis portion. To perform an sentimental analysis, user is able to select up to 4 different track names. But for this demonstration, I'll be just selecting 2 instead. After finalizing your selection, simply click on the button called Perform Analysis, which is located over here. A loading bar will be appeared, which tells the user to wait while the application is doing its job. When it's done with its job, 2 new windows appears to the user, which I have selected earlier on. By having multiple windows appearing, it allows the user to compare all results as well as improving the efficiency of the task. For the purpose of this demonstration, let us focus on a particular track name results. In this screen, user is able to discover additional insight by identifying the pressing issue based on the comment made. I've included functions that splits up paragraph into individual sentences, which can be done at the top of the screen. Simply by clicking a paragraph from the list view and click the button, it shows the splitting up of the individual sentences and classifying each sentences with its sentiment type, as shown at the screen here. Next, I will be touching on the frequently used words. Its main purpose is to extract the highly mentioned words, which was discussed in forum. With this approach, I'll be able to find out why are these words mentioned by selecting a keyword and clicking off a button. A list of results will be shown as shown below. At the left of the screen, you'll be able to see its overall sentiment based on the track name, and the chart will illustrate the number of gender who made the positive, negative, and neutral comments. We have come to the end of the demonstration. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.